Greetings, nature lovers! Today, we embark on a journey into the captivating world of wolves, majestic creatures that have long captured the human imagination. Join me as we uncover 15 astonishing facts about these magnificent animals. Fact 1. Wolves' family structure. Wolves are highly social animals that live in packs, which consist of a mated pair, their offspring, and occasionally, other related individuals. Pack dynamics are complex and vital for survival. Fact 2. Howling communication. One of the most iconic behaviors of wolves is their howling. It serves as a form of communication, allowing them to locate pack members, ward off intruders, and maintain territory boundaries. Fact 3. Wide range of vocalizations. In addition to howling, wolves utilize a diverse range of vocalizations, including growls, whines, barks, and yips. Each sound conveys different messages and emotions within the pack. Fact 4. Powerful predators. Wolves are apex predators, playing a crucial role in regulating prey populations and maintaining ecosystem balance. Their hunting prowess and cooperative tactics make them formidable hunters. Fact 5. Highly adapted hunters. Wolves are well adapted for hunting a wide range of prey, including deer, elk, moose, and smaller mammals. Their keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing aid them in tracking and capturing prey. Fact 6. Pack hierarchy. Within a wolf pack, there's a hierarchical structure with dominant and subordinate individuals. Dominant wolves have priority access to resources such as food and mating opportunities. Fact 7. Territorial behavior. Wolves are territorial animals, marking their territory with urine, feces, and scent glands. This helps to communicate ownership, deter rival packs, and maintain boundaries. Fact 8. Wide distribution. Wolves once roamed vast territories across North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. However, human encroachment and habitat loss have greatly reduced their historical range. Fact 9. Lifelong bonds. Wolves form strong social bonds within their packs, often forming lifelong partnerships with their mates. They are dedicated parents working together to raise and protect their offspring. Fact 10. Intelligence and problem solving. Wolves are highly intelligent animals capable of complex problem solving and learning. They exhibit innovative behaviors when faced with challenges, such as accessing food sources or navigating obstacles. Fact 11. Conservation efforts. Due to centuries of persecution and habitat destruction, many wolf populations face severe declines. However, conservation efforts and legal protections have led to successful recovery in some regions. Fact 12. Cultural significance. Throughout history, wolves have held significant cultural symbolism in various societies. They are revered as symbols of strength, loyalty, and wilderness spirit in folklore, mythology, and art.
Fact 13. Unique coat colors. Wolves exhibit a wide range of coat colors and patterns, including gray, black, white, and various shades of brown. These adaptations help them blend into their surroundings and camouflage during hunting. Fact 14. Cooperative breeding. In some wolf packs, only the alpha pair reproduces, while other pack members assist in caring for and raising the pups. This cooperative breeding strategy enhances the survival chances of the pack's offspring. Fact 15. Keystone species. As a keystone species, wolves play a critical role in shaping ecosystems and promoting biodiversity. Their presence has cascading effects on prey populations, vegetation, and other wildlife. And there you have it, 15 remarkable facts that shed light on the fascinating world of wolves. From their intricate social structures to their essential role in ecosystems, wolves continue to inspire awe and admiration. Let's strive to protect and preserve these incredible animals for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of wolf wonders.